We're going somewhere, but I'm not going to tell you yet where we're going. I'm going to make you watch this to find out where we're going, so stay tuned. Okay, driving update. We are going through a tunnel under a mountain, which I hate. So fingers crossed, I will see you on the other side. Guys, we made it. We made it. We are in Washington, D.C. right now. Over there's the Capitol building. Back there's the Lincoln Memorial. I think I see Sarah in the back of me doing this. But we made it. Oh, that's my mother. Oh my gosh. Anyway, stay tuned.